Did you know a dog's undercoat can be spun into yarn? Today, this Malamute fluff will become a soft rollag ready for spinning. The process normally takes about 20 minutes, but here it's sped up to 2 so the transformation can be seen quickly. I'm using my Ashford drum carder to align the fibers. First, I gently open the dog's fluff and start feeding it onto the carder while turning the handle. Dog fiber is much shorter than sheep wool, so it tends to catch on the small drum. It needs to be cleaned off from time to time to keep the carder running smoothly. Of course, my assistant Shushu insists on supervising the entire process. After repeating the process several times and the drum is nicely filled, I remove the bat. Using a PVC pipe, I roll the fiber off the drum to form a soft rollag. And just like that, the Malamute's fur is transformed into a beautiful rollag, ready to become chiengora yarn.